Check out the bookcase from Stosense. In this video, I'm going to go over some of my favorite features of this bookcase. The first thing is going to be the lights on here. So these are awesome. I think it's like a perfect touch. Just really lights up the whole bookshelf. They got a remote for you, so you're going to be able to pick the different hues of colors. If you want a darker tone, you can do that. If you want white light, you can also do that. And then you can even control the brightness on there too. So get them bright, get them dim, however you want it. You can kind of customize that. And they do have a timer as well on there, which is super nice. And the second thing I love is going to be these dividers. So you can easily move them around. You can kind of customize these shelves however you want. The shelves themselves are huge. So personally, as you can see, I don't have a lot of books, but if you do have a lot of books, you can separate them. You can store them all. There is a whole lot of room. There's going to be 3 big shelves for you. Down here, you're going to have a big drawer. You can put whatever you want on the inside. And then on the cupboard storage, once you open the doors, 2 large shelves in there. So you can really fit whatever you want. And here could be like a great place. I just have a little Bluetooth stereo. If you did have something bigger, you can plug in something, as I do have a hole for you. So it could be a little bit of an entertainment center, which I do like. And now the final feature that I love is going to be these fluted doors. So the handles on them I think are really cool. So you can't even tell they are handles, but as you can see here, they are a little bit elevated. So I just like that. Work great too, but it just kind of goes to the overall look of this with the fluted doors on the bottom all the way up, just giving you that minimalistic look, which I think is really, really cool. But overall, I'm super happy with this bookshelf. Fits perfectly in my bedroom, would work perfect in any living room or library, study area type place. So very happy with it. I give it 2 thumbs up.